Every single day she pours into us. So I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to make videos. I didn't know what to say. I listened to her. I just did everything she said. I would literally copy her videos and I would make them my own. And I just want to encourage you, if you're on here and somebody invited you, go say, hey, I want to do this. Like, I watched, imagine the lives I could have changed if I would have started 8 months before I started. Um, and it is, like I said, if I could not be here with Michelle and if I could not be a part of Legacy Builders, I am certain because of what she's taught me in 8 months, I could sell anything, anywhere. I could make my own course. Like, I have learned so much. And I haven't even watched all of the stuff that she offers because my life is so busy. So I just encourage you to plug in and to listen because, mom to mom, family to family, Jesus lover to Jesus lover, this is by far different than anything out there that you're going to find because I've bought it all. I bought it all. All the other courses that you see, yep, bought them, seen them, paid for them, looked at them. They stayed in my trash bin. So thanks for having me. That's all. I could talk forever, but I don't want to keep you.
Oh, thank you for sharing. I love your story. And I know you probably just gave a lot of people hope that have tried other things before and they didn't work. So thank you for sharing, my friend.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I am so excited. So I am, for you that don't know me, my name is Christelle and I'm all the way from South Africa. Also living in a little town in Limpopo province, a small little place. I mean, our little town is so small we don't even have a traffic light. That is how small it is. So when I lost my jobs at the end of August last year, I was like absolutely stranded. I didn't know which way to turn and what to do. There was no job opportunities. I worked for 2 foreign companies. I was working from 4 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock at night, just trying to keep my little family together. I'm a single mommy. My son is turning 20 next month, and then my little girl is all of 3 years old. And I believe that God blessed me with my little girl at the so late in my life, so that I can be mommy to my little girl. My son was part of a twin, and I believe that I got a second chance, and I wanted to make this opportunity work. And then I lost both my jobs at the end of August. For 2 months, I couldn't even pay my groceries. That is how absolutely dismal it was going in my life. And I stumbled across digital marketing. I didn't have the money to afford it. I mean, I couldn't even afford food for my children. But my beautiful mom blessed me with this opportunity. After 3 weeks, she said to me, Christelle, do you really believe in this? And I said to her, Mom, with my absolute whole heart. And my mom said to me, there's my credit card. Pay for it. And she blessed me and I got started. What an amazing opportunity. Didn't make money in my first month. No one's mistake but mine. I just didn't apply what I was supposed to. But once I did, oh my goodness, I became a South African millionaire in under 6 months. Made my first million, made my second million in 8 months to the day. And for instance, like today, it's the 6th of the month. I have made the equivalent of 6 months worth of salary. I've made 112,000 Rand in 6 days as a South African. It's 6 months salary in 6 days. That is how insane this is. This is what I used to earn working 2 jobs from 4 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock at night. My life has changed so ridiculously, where I've gone from not being able to put fuel into my car and buy groceries. It was either one of the two. Whereas next week we are going on a holiday for the first time in 12 years. In 3 months' time, my son is going to go on a 3-month holiday in England to go and decide what he wants to do with his life. Does he want to stay in England? Does he want to live in Europe? Does he want to live in Scotland? Ireland, where does he want to go? For the last 3 years prior to that, it was always no, you can't go study. No. For the first time ever, I can become a yes mom. My little girl's dream gymnastics. She's got her little dreams, and my life it feels like I've just started living. It feels like my life has just started living. I went from having 0 followers on TikTok. I knew nothing about digital marketing, and I managed to work this up with a little girl in between. And I just decided, there was no turning back. I had to make this work. And it is the absolute best decision that I've made in my entire life. I come from quite a successful background, but never in my life have I ever experienced anything as beautiful and as solid and as heartfelt and as transparent as I have with this. It is just gorgeous. It's from Michelle that is just, it's open and it's honest and it's transparent and it's guiding. And Michelle also the motto is the more you give, the more you receive. That is what our business is built upon. And that is why this is so strange for people to understand why this works, is because we are there to guide and help and assist and support, and not just keep everything for ourselves. We don't work like that, because that is what the world is like outside, out there. We are so much different to that. And that's why we're taking the world by storm. But my friend, if you are thinking of doing this, say yes. There is literally, if I can do this, if I can earn my first million in 6 months, like Michelle said, and Cecilia also said, we're 7 South African millionaires in 6 months. What is stopping you? Why not you, my friend? Why not you? That is the beauty of this. So guys, thank you. Thank you so much for having me, Michelle. You guys must have the most beautiful and blessed evening.